is the show that nobody likes. This is never scripted. This is never written. This is not your mama's show. It's probably not your show.
And it's season 2.
Me and Phil's show. This is season 2, which means it's going to be extra spectacular. There's going to be fireworks. There's going to be magic. There may even be a magician.
I wear boxers, I wear pants at the same damn time.
At the same damn time.
At the same damn time.
Bill, you were in live spirits tonight. It feels like you have the spirit underneath your wings.
Boy.
It's season 2 and we're less funny than season 1.
You know what I think it is? People are striking because we got a second season.
They really, well, we got a second season because we had to pay for it.
Yeah, that's what took us so long. We had to catch up our bills. They wouldn't let us on until we paid up, so
I had to hit the streets with that.
I had to trick.
That rock. Yo, the NBA Finals are tonight, Phil.
Yo, who you going for, son?
Yo, I gotta see Durant and them win it. And hold on, before we get calls, listen, I don't like LeBron. I'm sorry, but it's not because I want LeBron to lose. I want to see KD bring the title back to be more.
I'm just sick of the Heat.
Boy. This is a show that nobody likes. 89.7 WSHC Shepherd's Town. We're in the country. Me and Phil are wearing flannels. Sounds that rappers make. Jada Kiss.
Rick Ross. MGK. I'm a wow boy. Well, he don't really make noise. Dip.
Yo, my name is Dippin' and I do it doubly. Coming in the back in the mouth, nobody fusing me.
Hold on.
Birdman.
Your boy, yo, got it.
Mossberg Duck.
We shoot.
French Montana. Waka Flocka.
Got it.
Smell like a half pound of that kicks, half a pound of that reefer. Cashing out, whole thing, 36 for a feature.
You heard about the outbreak in Florida? Is that true?
I heard about it, that the government is putting HIV in Mosquito. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Secret Services, don't get me.
Like,
I'm
seriously, what do they do? They're like holding mosquitoes in their fingers and pricking them with a little needle and injecting them.
They got something going on.
Come on, dude. Phil, do you have Twitter followers?
I do.
Do you have people following you? And I don't mean following you home, Phil.
Oh, they follow me everywhere I go.
Shake it! Watch yourself! Shake it, baby! Show me what you're working with!
Watch yourself!
Tell me what you're working with.
No, I'm saying I'm on my mystical, son. Shake it fast. Watch yourself. Shake it fast.
You're pretty
Show me
good.
what you're working with.
You sit around and listen to Mystical much? Or?
No.
We try to tell you we're improved. We're completely changed the show around, and it's completely different for season 2. Man, I grew up listening to Mase as a young Higgin.
He sounds like, as a young Higgin, I was bumping the Mase.
How do you, like, be a pastor and then get away from it? Like, won't you get shunned from the pastor association, or is there like a...
It's voted upon.
Is there like a
black robes?
Is there like people that, like, when you decide to get out of churchery, they're like, you
churchery?
Know, that's it. How can you be involved in churchery and then get out of the churchery? Do you then get, like, church?
De-churcherized?
Yeah, do you get de-churched?
If they baptize you, do they deodorize you?
Unties?
Untized?
Break the ties?
Unbaptized?
All I know is I wouldn't want to be in that position.
Big boy strap made the news on me. Stack it all up like shoes on me. Everywhere I go, I got them shoes on me. Everywhere I go, I got them shoes on me.
I said, can a young Higgin get money no more?
Dude, we were saying young Higgins.
Young Higgins,
When I was a young Higgins.
This is going to be a hot summer.
Whoa, I heard August is hotter than July.
And I heard in the beginning of September it's just about as bad as August.
What?
You slanging rocks son on the block.
I'm slanging that
Slanging
stuff, boy.
You slanging rocks on the
All right,
block.
throwback jam of the day. This is
We getting
89.7
into it.
WSHC, the
We'll come
show
back
that
it out,
nobody
too.
likes, aka
Yeah.
the funnest show. I know that's not a word. I'm gonna say it again. The funnest show you
Yeah.
ever participated in.
I thought I told y'all dudes before, y'all dudes can't mess with me. This ain't fun, no smoke OTs, no sir, cause that won't pay.
Oh, Heat 77. Oakland, Oklahoma is 72.
You feel you got the biggest one, your mama come shake your ass. Shake your ass, watch yourself, shake your ass. Show me what you work, shake your ass.
And now, like, season 2's doing it grande.
I'm catching up. Here I go, them glasses out, them fools on with them tools on. We don't play it like that, y'all confused on me. Big boy strap made the news on me. Stack it all up like shoes on me. Everywhere I go, I got them shoes on me. Everywhere I go, I got them shoes. I know I'm my neck, girl, I'm cashing out. I'm cashing out. This is on the ride with that Nino. My diamonds out for me, they say.